Hi, this video is going to show you how to create your own TikTok with one of those really popular songs you might be seeing other people use in their videos. It's actually pretty easy, especially if you happen to skip across a video that you're seeing that you're like, ooh, I want to make something for that. So I'm going to go into my TikTok app and we're going to wind up on this first screen. So maybe I want to create something that is with that song by Paramore. All I need to do is tap on the track next to the music note at the bottom. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to take me to basically a catalog of all the other videos people have used with this sound. So feel free to peruse. You might get some inspiration. But let's say you actually want to use this sound. So now you're going to click on Use. And now you're in the creation part of TikTok, and that song is going to be featured. Now it says you have up to 15 seconds based on the clip. As you know, if you've ever gone into TikTok on any of the audio options, usually the clips are 15 seconds or up to 60 seconds because you do have an option to go longer with your TikTok, anywhere between 15 and 60 seconds. This particular clip you've selected happens to be 15 seconds, so that's how long you have to shoot your video. But that's a really quick and dirty way to just say, hey, I saw that song. Everybody's using it. And as you know, there's some of these really trend. And so it's a really easy way to say, I'll just create something too with that song without you having to like, oh, let me go memorize. What is the name? I need to go find the exact track. You just click on it at the base of the video that you're watching. Now it's going to take you into creation mode so you can actually use it in your video. And it's even applied some of the same effects that the other person used. So feel free to customize this as you want, but now you've got the same soundtrack that a lot of other people are using. And that's how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'd love to see some of your TikToks where you're using this feature. Have a great time.
I hope this was helpful. Click there to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the bell. Also, click over there in case there's any other videos on this topic you'd like to watch. Lastly, if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future how-to social video, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to create something that will save you time, make you more efficient, and be really social.